Today we're going to be making homemade lean ground beef burgers. Keep watching the video and we'll show you how we turn this into this. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. Today we're going to be making homemade lean ground beef hamburgers. So the first thing we're actually going to do is I'm just going to start prepping the peppers I'm going to be putting into the ground beef. I've got some jalapeños and I've also got some Texas bourbon I'm going to be mixing into the mix. So the first thing we got to do, we're just going to get started. I'm just going to start cutting up the pepper. Just going to get rid of the stem here. Okay, so we're just, we got the center out, so I'm just going to start cutting it. Going to cut them fairly fine, just so that, you know, I'm mixing it into the lean ground beef. I don't want massive chunks, so I'm going to have to cut them pretty fine. Okay, so put this into a bowl. Okay, so we've cut up the bell peppers. I'm just going to take some of these jalapeños just and chop those up as well, just for a little bit of flavor. That should be good. Okay, so now that we chopped up our peppers, our jalapeno peppers, we're just going to go ahead and put the meat into the bowl and start mixing the ingredients together. It's important to use gloves so you don't cross-contaminate, or you know, hygiene is always number one. So I like to always wear gloves when mixing these. So I'm just going to take the extra lean ground beef and put that into the bowl. Next, I'm going to put just a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm going to put some meat seasoning. Just a little bit. Okay. And some pepper. This pepper mill is actually amazing. I just picked it up a few weeks ago, and it's battery operated. It has a light on it. It's called the Gravity Plus. It takes 4 AA batteries, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing. If you guys actually want to purchase this, I have one on my eBay store. I believe I have a couple on my eBay store. Otherwise, I'll also drop the link on my Amazon page, and you can purchase it there as well. Okay, so that's great, and of course the pepper mill shuts off once it's on once you want to use it, and it's off once you rest it down. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and get the jalapenos in there. Get the peppers. And I'm first going to start mixing this in. And then I'll shortly mix the Texas bourbon in as well. You just really want to work it and mix it up very well. You don't want some of the meat concentrated where other parts are not. So you just really want to take your time mixing it in very well. Just break up the meat. Get the stuff off the bottom, shift it around. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of, I don't know, it's maybe about 2 shots maybe of Texas bourbon. I'm just going to put that in just to add a little bit of a flavor, a little bit of a kick. And of course mix that in as well. Okay, so now that our extra lean ground beef is mixed up, we're going to just go ahead and form our patty pucks to be barbecued. Just going to get about yay amounts in our hand. We're just going to form a little ball. Just make sure everything's packed in. Okay, I'm just going to push that here and just give it a little bit of a pressing. Okay. Another ball. These are quite the size hamburgers we're making, but that's fine. Okay, so now that the burgers are formed, we're just going to go ahead and put them on the barbecue. Okay, so we're just going to place the extra lean ground beef hamburger patties onto the barbecue at low heat. I want to cook these nice and slow. Take my time cooking them so they cook thoroughly and remain juicy. Just like that. We're going to close the lid and let it cook slowly for a little bit. Okay, so we're just going to check on the burgers and give them a flip. Okay, so the burger should be cooked. I'm just going to put some cheese on the one burger that I'm going to eat, and then just carry the burgers inside once the cheese is melted. I'm just going to close the lid for just a minute, and then we'll bring the burgers inside. Okay guys, that's it. Dinner is served. Excellent burgers. They didn't really shrink very much. I just topped it off with a little bit of marbled cheese just for some flavoring. So that's it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to see me cook anything else or you have any suggestions, leave that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell, turn notifications on for upcoming videos, share our video, like our video. And thanks for watching once again, and we'll see you next time. JeffLepard.com. Bye-bye.